How to change theme on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your theme, your store theme on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply open up your Shopify store and you'll get right here on your home. So to change theme of your store, you can go to your online store right here. And then once you have published your store, you will be able to get your option of themes right here. So I will click on themes. So it will open up your themes for you and you'll be able to see your current theme here. Now, if you want to change it, you'll click on customize. It will open up your theme for you, your store. Now, this is our main theme that we have actually selected. So how we can actually change it? If you want to customize your theme, you can completely do that. That's the first thing. You can actually change the header, image, banner, anything you want. But if you want to completely change the theme style, then go to theme settings right here. Again, you will get all of the different options. Scroll down and you'll find theme style. Now, you can change your theme style completely and change it from default to something else. And you can simply, click on change style. But keep in mind, once you click on change style, it will affect your settings that you have done. And if there is any different elements that you've added to your store, they will be changed. So click on change style, or you can add different elements from here to change the theme of your Shopify store. And then you can also go to theme library from here and search for free themes here. Click on explore free themes and it will allow you to explore from here, and you can actually select any of the theme and you can add it to your library and you will be able to use it later. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.